can make the moon glow. I can make a gray storm cloud. I can't make the wind blow or the sun come out. I can make the waves break. I can make the whole sky blue. I can't do a lot of things, but there's one thing that I can do. I can make it rain. I can make her tears fall down. Take everything that we used to be and leave it puddled up on the ground. Yeah, I can make it flood. Watch it wash it all away. Take all our love and pour it down the drain. Yeah, I can make it rain. I can make it rain. No, I can make her stay. I can't make her take me back. I can't make her miss me, no, I can't do none of that. I can make her smile, and I can't make her hurt no less. And I can't unbreak her heart, but I can leave it soaking wet. 'Cause I can make it rain, and I can make her tears fall down. Take everything that we used to be and leave it puddled up on the ground. Yeah, I can make it flood and watch it wash it all away. Take all our love and pour it down the drain. Yeah, I can make it rain. I can